Hello, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor for Business 105. Welcome to Intro to Business. We are going to have a fun 8 weeks together, and you will be able to learn all about business, different aspects of business in a lot of different ways. Here at Bryan University, you will learn by doing Learn-Its, which will teach you different vocabulary and facts about business. You will learn by reading your book and using reference material. You will learn by attending our live sessions, which begin on August 9th. We'll be meeting 4 times during the term on Tuesdays every other week at either 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. You can choose the session you want to attend. I will send you a reminder beforehand, and we will meet via Zoom and talk about different aspects of business. We also have Yellow Dig. Yellow Dig is our class's social media platform. So, for example, in Yellow Dig, you'll be commenting and discussing current events that are related to business. You'll also be giving each other encouragement and helping each other along in the class. I'm really excited about this intro class for you. It's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. The key to success is organization. Get your week organized so that during the weeks when you have an assignment, you've scheduled time to work on it. During weeks when you have live sessions, you've blocked out time to attend one of them. Don't disregard the assignments, the Learn-Its, Yellow Dig, plan for it, and we'll be successful together. More on this when I see you on August 9th, our first live session. Bye.